Welcome to Williams Air Conditioning and Heating, your premier HVAC contractor specializing in furnace repair in Avondale, Arizona. With over 60 years of industry experience, our family-owned business has built a reputation for delivering top-notch heating solutions tailored to meet the specific needs of our customers. Our team of highly skilled technicians is dedicated to providing prompt, reliable service, ensuring your home stays warm and comfortable throughout the cooler months. At Williams Air Conditioning and Heating, customer satisfaction is at the heart of everything we do. Our 5-star rating on Google reviews and accreditation from the Better Business Bureau are testaments to our commitment to quality and excellence. What is the most common HVAC problem? The most common HVAC problem is a dirty or clogged air filter. Air filters are essential for trapping dust, dirt, and other airborne particles, ensuring clean air circulates throughout the system. When filters become clogged, they restrict airflow, causing the HVAC system to work harder and operate less efficiently. This can lead to various issues, such as reduced heating or cooling performance, increased energy consumption, and potential damage to system components like the blower motor. What usually breaks on a furnace? On a furnace, several components can typically break, leading to heating issues. The igniter or pilot light is one of the most common parts to fail, as these are crucial for starting the heating process. Without a functioning igniter or pilot light, the furnace cannot generate heat. How do you diagnose a heater problem? Diagnosing a heater problem involves a systematic approach to identify the root cause of the issue. Initially, a technician will check the thermostat to ensure it is set correctly and functioning properly, as incorrect settings or a faulty thermostat can prevent the heater from turning on. Next, the technician will inspect the furnace for any visible signs of damage or wear, such as cracks in the heat exchanger or issues with the igniter or pilot light. What is your service area? Our Williams Air Conditioning and Heating serve the following Arizona locations: Phoenix, Tempe, Scottsdale, Chandler, Peoria, New River, Cave Creek, Mesa, Glendale, Litchfield Park, Fountain Hills, Gilbert, Buckeye, Wittman, Sun Lakes, Goodyear, Arizona. Where is your Williams Air Conditioning and Heating office located? We are located at 15359 West Morning Glory Street, Goodyear, Arizona 85338, United States. Our phone number is 623-439-8309. Visit our website, https://www.williamsairandheating.com/.